Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to use an AI eraser to remove objects from photos on your REALME 16 Pro Plus. First, go into the gallery editor by opening the gallery app. Once we swipe up, scroll down until we see photos. Let's go over. Here we have our pictures, and make sure we open the Photos app and not Google Photos. Let me quickly take this picture right here. Simply click on the panel icon, go to AI Editor, and click AI Eraser. Click Agree and Continue. Here we can use Smart Lasso or Paint Over, and we can remove people. But I don't have any people in the picture and AI does not detect anyone. Here we have Paint Over. For example, we can paint over this part right here. As you can see, now it's removing, it's painted over and you cannot see anything. The edited picture looks like this and the normal one looks like this. We also have a Smart Lasso, so we can select everything from here. Copper 10. Now it is recognizing everything and removing it. It has to do multiple jobs in order for it to work. If you want to make it completely white, it takes a couple of tries. As you can see, it still detects a lot of stuff here. It's like this. You can also have fun and just select it all, make sure it goes completely white, but it's just a couple of tries. It looks like this. We got rid of the keyboard that was in the picture. Click Done, and we don't need to label it. Click Done again. Here we can click Save, replace the original, or save a copy. I'll save a copy so you can see the difference. This is the picture. Here we got another one, but we are interested in this pic right here. There's nothing, it has a white background. This is how you can use the AI eraser to remove objects from photos. It just takes a couple of tries for it to actually work, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!